Hey everybody, welcome back to the Traveling to Sea channel. Traveling to Sea, where we love to travel, love to share. Traveling is great on land, sea, and air. Come with us as we go and see together how much better our traveling can be. Our European vacation 2023, France, Germany, Switzerland, Austria, and Italy. What a wonderful, wonderful trip it was. Today's video is going to cover our drive to Innsbruck and our train from Innsbruck through Bologna to Florence, Italy. My wife Emily and I, Blair, decided with my son Brandon and his wife Missy to plan a trip to Germany. As the planning continued, it grew into a larger vacation. Again, this video covers our drive from Garmish-Partenkirchen Germany, along the Alps to Innsbruck Austria, where we turned in our rental car and boarded a train through Bologna, Italy, to Florence, Italy, where we spent 2 wonderful days. We had an awesome time. So come along with us as we relive this fantastic vacation, reliving and making our memories. So again, the trip began in Paris for 3 days, took a bullet train to Saarbrücken, then rented a car, drove to Baumholder, Rhine River cruise, Wertheim in Wurzburg Germany, down to Zurich and Lucerne, to Bodensee, Garmisch-Partenkirchen, then took the train from Innsbruck down to Florence. And that's what we're going to be covering in this video. The train from Innsbruck, Austria to Florence, Italy takes overall about 6 hours and 45 minutes if there aren't any delays. So the drive from Germany to Innsbruck, Austria is just absolutely beautiful. We were there in July 2023. It was hot, but beautiful, absolutely beautiful. We had to gas up the car and turned it in, and we boarded the train to Bologna. And there's Brandon, Missy, and Emily waiting on the train. We got on the train. We had a first class cabin on the train. It was hot in there, wasn't very well air conditioned, but we were traveling along. A lot of sights to see along the way from the train. Beautiful mountainous regions up there in northern Italy, and throughout Italy, it turns out. There you can see the things going by the window. Just some beautiful views. There's the Austria and Italy border right there. Now we're just traveling along, enjoying the beautiful scenery as we go. Weather was just perfect for us, really, for the entire trip. The weather was really, really great. Only time it rained was in the evenings, if it ever rained. Beautiful scenery along the way there in Italy. Just look at that. Not sure what those crops are there. It's not corn. I'm not sure what that is. Some rivers. A river alongside the train track there. You can see, but from the color, that's some glacier water there in that river. Just absolutely beautiful, isn't it? And we're still moving along. We're going to change trains in Bologna, Italy. Evidently a big hub there. See that river? We're actually crossing it here. Beautiful mountains and beautiful valleys. Now these are grapes here. We're getting into vineyards. All right, now we're coming in to Bologna. Getting off our train, and oh my gosh, we found out the train had been canceled. There's a train strike, delays. So what we did is we went ahead, bought another set of train tickets for a railway line that was not on strike. And eventually we were bound on the train at last, heading for Florence. And it wasn't that easy. We spent a lot of time in Bologna trying to straighten it out. But we got there, and here's beautiful Florence now. We stayed at the Hotel Forte 16. Beautiful hotel. They had a great breakfast. That's the front entrance of the hotel there. They have these gardens in the back, and you go past these gardens on your way to the restaurant. There's a shot from our room up above. We had dinner in Florence that evening, not far from the hotel. We just went down. We found this wonderful sidewalk cafe there. Austria Pizzeria. Apotheca is, I think Apotheca is the place we ended up eating. And Brandon's got a beer. And look at that pizza. Isn't that interesting? Different than anything we have here. Very, very good. All very good. Brandon's got a huge calzone. And then we walked back to the hotel, and on the way we saw some sights. Next day, we're off to the ACCADEMIA Gallery of Florence. This is the museum where the statue of David is. And very crowded there. And the streets in these Italian cities very narrow. I wouldn't want to drive there. I'm glad we weren't. That's a ceiling picture. These are just pictures along the way. Awesome sculptures and these Florentine paintings. Just fantastic. I got the plaque on this one. You can stop the video and read that if you like. It's just awesome. Here's our tour guide there. She did a fantastic job. There's a layout of the museum. And different paintings. And they also have these instruments. Paintings around these instruments related to the instruments. They had a Stradivarius there. Isn't that amazing? And these keyboard instruments that predated pianos. More beautiful paintings. And more instruments. Some wind instruments. Other instruments. There's some sculptures here. And this, you can see at the end, is a statue of David by Michelangelo. We're working our way down there, looking at these other sculptures and paintings along the way as we get up to Michelangelo. Amazing. And there's David. Up closer. See how huge it is. Here's Brandon and Missy in front of David. And that's Emily and myself in front of David. Here's the back side of David. Just amazing, the size of that. And here's some more paintings. Beautiful, wonderful paintings along the way. Some sort of a family tree there. There's a cross. That's a very intricate sculpture there. And from the outside, the museum, it was quite a long day for us there. We were getting pretty whoop, and we decided, let's get on back. We are back at the hotel. It's that familiar structure near the hotel. Then it was time to go get some more dinner in Florence again. This time we went to the Osteria Borgo. Look at that. Amazing salad. Look at that. There's some pasta dishes. Different kinds. Really good. Absolutely delicious. We'll see our next video. It's our train to Rome, Italy, and our time in Rome. And here's some YouTube channel recommendations for you if you're getting ready to travel. Happy to Wander. Happy to Wander is a wonderful channel. She has got videos on just about any European destination you might have, and particularly has one on 101 Europe travel tips. So check that out. This is Walter's World, and Walter has got a video on Italian trains, the don'ts of train travel in Italy. Wish I'd have seen that before we went. And Island Hopper TV is another wonderful channel, and they've got a video on the best things to do in Florence, Italy for 2024. So check those out. So this has been our video for the Innsbruck, Bologna, and Florence. Sure hope it's useful to you. Enjoyed being there and enjoyed making the video. So watch our future videos and comment below. Share your experiences with us. Have you been to Italy? What's your experiences? And by all means, keep watching and keep traveling. God bless.